cute kitchen ideas for small spaces. To keep your kitchen cute, start thinking about what you need in your kitchen and how you will be using it. Will you be cooking up a storm, or will it be largely for toast, takeout, coffee and champus? If it's the latter, bench space may not be a priority. But regardless of how you use it, you will want plenty of storage. Also think about the color of your kitchen and how you can create the illusion of space through light. You should also think about your design and how it will integrate with the design of your home and apartment. Should it be a contemporary kitchen, or a rustic charmer with earthy timbers and traditional accessories? Either way, making it a joy to live in and use each day should be your main priority. Before you start, map out a plan of your kitchen with its dimensions, so you know how everything will fit together. By having a plan and theme at the start, you will save time and potentially money later, but buying things that will fit the space perfectly as you intended. Once you are determined on what theme you want for your cute kitchen, you should set a budget so you will know what you have to spend, as your design will be impacted by your budget. In most cases, if you are designing cabinets, flooring and countertops for your cute kitchen design, you'll be able to get top quality products much cheaper due to the size dimensions of your cute kitchen.